going on, everybody? Your boy Shaka here. You already know what's going on. All right, you know, we just put up the tent. That's the boy right there. That's the boy right there, Jose. Even though he's on his phone, cause you know, paying attention too much to that shit. But I want to show y'all the new what shall I say? We still haven't even gave the car a name yet, but he's planning on that. But I know you already seen the tail light. Y'all seen that? Y'all know what it is? Y'all gonna see it right now. Yeah. We just did some work to it. We're in the process of doing some brake pads right now in the front. Don't worry about the little details, you know what I'm saying? We gon'
gotta show the doors.
Yeah, no, I'm saying hold up. Cause what we just finished doing to this car with that. Bruh. Yeah, we just swapped these doors over. Like some professionals, you know. The only problem swapping, if anybody does swap their doors on a 2007 or 2008, because in between those 2 years, when you go to take your door and you want to keep your lock, you just have to take, oh, sorry. This little hole right there has a Torx screw. I think it was a T30. Yeah, you unscrew that and just pop the lock right off, and boom, you can swap that over to the new door as we did here. See, as you can see, we did right there. Yeah, making it look all nice. We got it to work and unlock perfectly. Yes, black door panels for now, tan interior for now, but it's all gonna go black, or black and tan, half and half, right? That's what we plan on doing. Yeah, but yeah, this the boy Jose's first man. Well, no, I don't say first man.
First manual.
Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, he is right. Yeah, that's not like he don't know how to drive stick. The man's been driving stick, you know, person cars here and in and out.
Burning some clutches out.
Yeah, burning the shit out of person clutches. You already know. But yeah, man, we are going to be turning this into a NOT EVO. If anybody knows what that is, it's basically a replica of Lancer EVO. That's what we're going to be doing to the channel. So we did find a YouTube channel that has already done it, so I will be putting his name right here. Yes, I don't know the guy's name off the top of my head because I was just watching it yesterday. But he has done some amazing work. I have sent Jose the link for that channel, so that way he can watch and get all the little details that guy did, so then that way we can bring it into our channel. You feel me? But yeah, shout out to him though, for real, because we're gonna transform this into a Evo. I mean, into a NOT EVO as well, because I mean, I thought it was pretty cool. Why not have a front wheel drive, aka Evo, right? You know. But yeah, we got a little bit plans going on for this. Right now, it's nothing crazy. Yeah, pop the trunk real quick. You know what I'm saying? We got Evo stuff going on for this, because we really do. You know what I'm saying? Bam! What's that right there in the corner? Yes, you already know. That is a turbocharger off of a Evo. I don't know exactly what turbo. I mean, that's an Evo. It's off of, but it's definitely a turbocharger off an Evo, for sure. Alrighty, we got a turbo, getting that shit set up. We just gotta find all the little bits in and out of pieces to get it all together. But we're gonna go and do a little time lapse. Totally forgot on the brake pad, so I can just get that knocked down and over with, and you know, he can go on his way. But yeah, first car to actually be having work done in the new garage. You already know. So we ran into a little problem here. His bottom bolt on his caliper is stripped, and I do not have tools to take that out. Not a size 14 at least. So as you can see, that bolt is stripped out. Oh, there you go. I got the top one out, but that bottom bolt is definitely stripped out. So I might have to go and back to AutoZone, get the stripper tool, and hopefully take that out. If not, he might be riding home with one brake pads done. I had to check, but I'll get back to you in a minute. Oh yeah, just got the car all finished up. Obviously that brake pad we didn't get to do, but he's gonna take it back to the place he got it and bought it from, and bitch and complain at them so that way they can fix that, because that's a serious problem. They should have checked the car over and made sure that all that type of stuff was done. They should have at least slapped brakes and fucking rotors onto this car, but sadly they did it. So yeah, you already know, another Them Boys Racing team member with the new whip.
About to start racing out here, baby.
Yeah, you already know. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace, love, and engine grease, y'all. Take it easy.